sir.
Hello, I'm Sandrian.
Now we will discuss the relation of cone to cylinder. Here's what we need. The sand, the cylinder, and the cone. As you can see, the height of the cone and its base is congruent to the cylinder. And the circumference of their bases is also congruent.
Now we will put the sand into the cone. It should be congruent to the height of the cone.
Now we will put the sand in the cylinder. Just repeat the procedure. And again. Bulong yan. Parang sigaw eh. Ito ang naman kamarito ko hindi na. As we can see, 3 parts of the cone is one of a cylinder.